Good morning, Mrs. Renfro here. I wanted to show you real quickly how to utilize your Google Calendar with all of the state testing boot camp meetings coming up, and if you're enrolled in ETI, I know it's probably hard to keep up with all of those meetings. So I wanted to show you how to use your Google Calendar, and you can see the meetings that are upcoming. Your state testing boot camp teacher should have sent you an invite to the meetings for the next 7 weeks, so this week and then 6 additional weeks. So what you would do to look at your calendar is you are going to log in, make sure you're logged in on your Epic Charter Schools Gmail account. And I'm looking right here, there's mine. And so right next to that picture is going to be a little waffle, and it's going to have all of your Google apps right here. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to Calendar. You're going to click on Calendar, and I am going to show you what my calendar looks like. Now, this is from December because, my February calendar has a lot of students' names on it, so I didn't want to share that information. But let's just say that it's December 29th, or it's the week of December 25th, and I want to see what meetings I have coming up. Well, I see on the 29th that I have study hall. So right here, I would click on that meeting, and I can just click join Zoom meeting from that link. And I can also click right here. Notice that I marked yes, I'm going. You can also go into your calendar and mark yes that you're going, so it'll show up blue like that. If you have not clicked yes, then it'll just have like a little line around it. This is going to be a really good tool to help you keep on top of your meetings and to know what's coming up. I don't mind sending you reminders, but I'm sure you it'd probably be much easier to know what's coming up for the week if you can use your calendar. I hope you are having a good day, and let me know if you have any questions about this.